Imagine a scale. You stand on it, it reads 150 pounds. You step off and back on, it again reads 150 pounds. This scale is reliable. It gives consistent results. Measurement reliability means getting the same results every time you measure the same thing. A reliable measurement tool produces consistent data. This consistency is crucial in all scientific fields. Without reliability, measurements are meaningless. We cannot draw conclusions from inconsistent data. Reliability is the foundation of good science and sound decision-making. Reliable data is essential in many fields. Scientists rely on it to test hypotheses. Engineers use it to build safe structures. Doctors depend on it for accurate diagnoses. Consider a scientist studying a new drug. The drug's effectiveness must be measured reliably. Otherwise, researchers cannot determine if it works. In manufacturing, reliable measurements ensure product quality. A car's brakes must function consistently. Unreliable measurements could lead to faulty products and serious consequences. Think about a basketball player practicing free throws. A consistent shooting form leads to more baskets. This consistency is like measurement reliability. A chef relies on measuring cups and spoons. These tools help ensure recipes turn out correctly every time. Accurate measurements are essential for replicating desired outcomes. In everyday life, we depend on reliable measurements constantly. From checking our weight to setting an alarm clock, consistency is key. Unreliable measurements can have serious consequences. In healthcare, inaccurate test results could lead to misdiagnoses. This could mean a patient receives the wrong treatment. Faulty equipment can also produce unreliable data. Imagine a thermometer giving inconsistent temperature readings. This could impact weather forecasts and climate studies. Unreliable measurements undermine trust in data. They make it difficult to make informed decisions in all aspects of life.